Hi, welcome to my PowerPoint. This is going to be a quiz on Peter Thiel's theory of innovation. Let's get right into it. Question 1 is, what industry does Thiel believe needs to invest in innovation for the future? The answer to that is going to be the technology industry. He believes that the technology industry needs to invest in innovation for the future because technological innovations can, in turn, make improvements for other industries. Question 2 is, why does Thiel believe that companies such as Google, Apple, and Microsoft refuse to invest in future innovation? The answer to that is that Peter Thiel believes that companies such as Google, Apple, and Microsoft refuse to invest in future innovation because they want to remain as tech companies rather than the likes of Amazon, who invest in the innovation of anything that may produce profit, straying them from being a tech company. Question 3, how does Thiel describe the era of the internet thus far? The answer to that is going to be that Peter Thiel describes the internet age as stagnant due to the unfortunate fact that we aren't innovating the industries that have a higher ceiling for improvement. What is the name of Thiel's manifesto and why? Thiel's manifesto is called What Happened to the Future, and he named it that because his point is to highlight how in the past we as a civilization always anticipated the future, but now we only look to sustain what we already have. And the final question is, what is the meaning of this quote by Peter Thiel? We wanted flying cars, instead we got 140 characters. The answer is that by stating this, Peter Thiel is shining a spotlight on the lack of innovation as time has gone on. History of technology has been defined as individual strides in the race to achieve dreamlike technological milestones, but at this point in technological development, we don't focus on expanding our horizons. Instead, we focus on optimizing the technology we've already developed. And that's the end of my slideshow. Hope you all enjoyed.